The following video is sponsored by W Energy Powder for Gamers. Use code Treyblowski10 for 10% off your order at w.gg.
Salutations, Treyblowski Nation! We are right back with... Uh-oh. I forgot the name of the game. With the Hamster Chef game. I should actually be able to quote that better. Alright. So we have to go back into the woods and save. Hop-Hop came out here. I hope he's okay. This place is dangerous, and he's like really old. Now is not the time for ageism. Okay, we're by the water. I should check for him near the water. Hop-Hop! Oh, he's dead. Oh, God. Dead Grandpa, and I bet Hopper's still gonna want that freaking stir fry. Ah! You are dead. Hop-Hop, I need to tell Hopper. I hope he doesn't take it too hard. That was really freaking lucky. You're back. Where's Hop-Hop? No, you're mistaken. Hop-Hop can't die. You don't know him like I do. He can't die. He didn't die. He'll be back. He always comes back. You just wait. You'll see. Death can be hard for people to come to terms with. I'm probably going to have to go back in there again to rescue him. Oh, I almost forgot. Way too late now, but I'm still going to do it. If you're liking this video, be sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, click the bell to get notifications. And if you want to support us, you can always... If you want to support us, there's a couple different ways you can do that. You can always... Oh, yeah. You can become a YouTube channel member. You can become a patron. You can buy merch off our Spread shirt store, or watch our videos all the way through. Or just watch our videos all the way through. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and cook this stir fry. Wait, no, wait. I did that wrong. Stir fry. Oh, wow. Okay, let's dice this potato. let's... Oh. Let's dice this onion. And make some stir fry. I'm gonna go to sleep. Wow, dishes with mushrooms are popular today. Deliver carrot mushroom stew to Benjamin. Good thing I grabbed all these while I was out. I just hope no one asks me where they came from. Best to get to work. Okay, dice us some carrots. That's our... Oh, wait, no, we don't need a potato. It's diced onion. It's diced carrot mustard. Why are we putting onions in it? Okay, cut. Oh, we gotta dice a mushroom. There we go. Over here. Right, let's go get Benjamin his stew. I'm convinced he's just gonna hate anything we make. What are you people listening to down there? I've been hearing static sounds all through the night. Is this what you consider music these days? This is mine now. Do you hear that staticky sound? Hey, what is that? Oh, this. I ordered this from you? Okay, I believe you. I will eat this. So the order's done and dusted. It's gonna be night soon. Let's head home. The sound won't stop. It feels like it's getting louder. The sound is bothering Hop Pop. He's so mad. Need to hold it back. Alright, time to go home. I hope the bear is okay. Alright. This game took longer than I thought. No orders today. That's odd. I hope everybody liked my food. I hardly know what to do with myself with all this free time. Maybe I'll take a walk. Hello, it's me, Benjamin. Thank you for the food. I like the food. I want food now. Come to my house. No need to make food. It's my treat. See you soon. I don't think we should go to Benjamin's house. Boom, boom. Off-road. You hear that staticky sound? Huh, what is that? Alright, let's go see Benjamin. I got a bad feeling about this. I better stay alert. Ah! Scooter was the right idea. In fact, just to be safe, we are going to drive backwards. Oh, not good. Okay. Wait. It will be ready to go this time. Was that the bear? The barricades are gone. You are missing no! Oh. That was Go-Go Hamster Chef. I don't want to know what that last part was about. So, I hope you enjoyed this little two-parter. If you liked the video, please be sure to like the video, comment your favorite part, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell as well to receive notifications. We do upload frequently, but YouTube doesn't always notify our subs. And if you want to support us, you can become a YouTube member, a patron, you can buy merch from our Spreadshirt shop, or you can just watch our videos all the way through and share them with your friends. You can also watch my friend Isaac and Friends channel. He does stuff too. Have a good day, Treyblowski Nation. 1,700 strong and growing.